I always like to drink a nice cup of tea, but I don't like it when it's cooled down.
The cooling curve shows the process of cooling. You can see that the curve is steep at the start and less steep at the end, where the surrounding temperature of 20 degrees Celsius is reached. The reason for this is that at the start there is a big temperature difference, and near the end the temperature difference is small. A cooling curve always shows a graph from a high temperature going gradually to the surrounding temperature. When you insulate your cup of tea, you do not change the shape of this cooling curve, but your cup will need more time to cool down. So you slow down the cooling process. Let me show you. When you look at this cooling curve, say it is the cooling curve of my cup of tea, then it needs about between 15 and 20 minutes to cool down to the surrounding temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. If I would insulate my cup of tea, then the time changes. Look at the time. It changes. And now you see that my cup of tea takes about 30 to 40 minutes to cool down to the surrounding temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. So this is the effect of insulating your cup of tea. So it doesn't change the shape of the cooling curve, but it does change the time with which the cup of tea cools down.
So, when you have to leave your tea for some time, just put the saucer on top, like this. Bye!